In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color in Fusion 360. If you want to quickly visualize your design, explore finishes, or communicate intent to collaborators, adding color is one of the fastest ways to bring your model to life. With your design open, start by pressing the A key on your keyboard. That opens the appearance panel, which is where you'll manage colors and materials for your model. You'll see two main areas, a library you can browse, and a section at the top that shows appearances currently used in this design. Next, search or browse the library for the color or material you want. Use the search field to type terms like paint, plastic, metal, or simply a color name, and you'll see options grouped by category. Each swatch represents an appearance, which includes both color and how the surface looks, such as matte, glossy, or metallic. If you're not sure what to pick, hover over swatches to preview them and read the brief descriptions. You can always refine the exact shade later, so choose the general look you're aiming for. Sometimes a swatch in the library will have a small arrow icon. That means it's stored in the cloud and needs to be downloaded before you use it. Just click the arrow and Fusion 360 will bring it into your local library. Once it's downloaded, you're ready to apply it. Now drag and drop the swatch directly onto your 3D model. As you hover, you'll notice different parts highlight. Drop it when the highlight matches your intent. If the whole body highlights, you'll color the entire body. If just a single face highlights, you'll color only that face. If you drop onto a component in the browser, you'll apply it to that whole component. If you make a mistake, press undo and try again. Drag and drop is non-destructive, so it's easy to adjust. After you've applied an appearance, look at the top section of the panel labeled in this design. You'll see the swatch you used there. Right-click it and choose Edit to customize the exact shade. In the editor, you can fine-tune color with sliders or a color picker, and many appearances let you adjust properties like roughness or transparency to control how light interacts with the surface. This is perfect for dialing in brand colors or matching real-world finishes. When you're satisfied, close the editor and your model updates instantly. That's it. Open the appearance panel with A, find your appearance, download if needed, drag it onto your model, and edit the swatch at the top to get the exact look you want. Save your design and you're ready to present, render, or iterate further.